What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna open up the 5 50th anniversary favorites cars that have hit stores so far. So the 5 models here are part of Mix 1, and Mix 2 is coming in September with 5 additional cars for the favorites series. And as the packages state, Hot Wheels was established in 1968, and these little model cars are still rocking, so let's open up these 50th anniversary favorites and check them out of the box. The first model in this set is the maroon colored 56 Chevy with 5-spoke Real Riders wheels and pink and white pinstripes. Next in the favorites set is the red and white 71 AMC Javelin with gray 8-spoke wheels featuring blue 50th logos along the side. Our third favorites model is a copper orange 60s Ford Econoline pickup with black flames along the side and steely wheels. Number 4 from favorites is the dark green Service Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback that says always ready to serve you and your Volkswagen. And the 5th and final model for the first mix of 50th anniversary favorites vehicles is the blue 71 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. There we have all 5 of the iconic 50th anniversary favorites models. Of course, these are some must-have vehicles for your collection, so be sure to let me know in the comments below which one of these is your absolute favorite. And if you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.